Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Watch Me Clean Wednesday and I am doing a cleaning routine for my kitchen and dining area. As you can see, it gets really messy really fast and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to clean this kitchen. So I decided to whip out my camera and film it for you guys.
Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want better in under.
The girls and I had been to the P.O. box on this day, so I had some things on the table from some of my subscribers. Thank you girls so much. There were some box tops for Maddie, and then we also got some coloring books, which by the way, we did spend one evening. I think we spent 3 hours sitting and coloring, so we really enjoyed that stuff. So thank you again. And then I have that magnet that I'm opening now on my fridge. I love it. You guys are the best.
Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Our little secret, don't tell anyone, but I keep some of the dog treats in my flower container.
Could be you.
How about a thumbs up for this awesome camera angle? It took me hours to get it just right. Just kidding, guys. I don't know what happened there. I thought I had it on the sink, and clearly I didn't.
I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong to. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. 'Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you.
So now I am cleaning around the dog bowls. I like to do this every couple of days because it gets really gross around their bowls, and I am just using those Lysol wipes because it's convenient. I do not like these little mats that I have for them. I have said that in other videos. They're really hard to get up off the floor, and they scratched really easy, so they already look really dingy and old, and they're actually really new. So I'm still looking for what I want to replace them with. And if anyone is wondering, I do get a lot of questions. Those bowls for Bailey, the floral ones, are from Petco.
Then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. 'Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody.
So here I'm just showing you the floor. It does get pretty dirty. It gets grass tracked in, and then all three of us are blonde, so our blonde hair is usually all over the place, and it just gets really dirty really fast. I hate having darker hardwood floors, but it is what it is. So I'm just shaking the rug out back. I usually shake that out every day, and then I'll wash it about once a week, and then I'm just vacuuming and I'm going to mop.
Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
So for any newbies, in case you are wondering about my vacuum. It is a Dyson V8 Absolute and I love it. It is awesome. It is pretty expensive. They have a model below it and it's the V7, and I have a lot of girlfriends, YouTube and not YouTube, that own that one and they love it as well. And honestly, if this one were to break and I went to repurchase, I would probably just get that one. I think it does probably just as good as this one and it's half of the price. But I do love this vacuum. It's always linked in the description box of all of my videos. I really like how it is cordless and the battery lasts a long time, and it does great on carpet as well as the hardwoods.
When we were younger, we were never running out of time.
So because this is just kind of a quick in-between clean and not really a deep cleaning, I'm just using my Bona mop. I really like this for that reason. It's easy to just whip out and do my floors really quickly. I wasn't doing my entire house and I just didn't want to get the mop and bucket out this time, so it works great for that.
When we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. I try to make it a little bit different than the rest of my cleaning videos, a little bit more relaxing, and I slowed down the footage a little bit because you guys have told me in your feedback that you really like to watch clean and that you could stand for me to slow it down a little bit. And I know you like the fast ones as well, but it's fun to change it up every once in a while. So that's what I did for you guys this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some motivation to tackle your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.